So I put this video together today, not as a tutorial or to teach you guys anything, but solely to show you how your test is going to be formatted tomorrow. Now I put together a real short review and shared it as an assignment. Two things. I'm not going to grade this. This is, if you want to review for your test, here's some information. And secondly, I wanted you to see what your test is going to look like. I had to format this a little funky to kind of get everything in one place. Filling out a check and then the just all the different things that we've done. You've had assignments that were forms, you've had assignments that were sheets, you've had assignments that were slides. And I don't have a good way to, without having you jump from one to the next, doing different parts of your test. And that's a huge pain in the butt for everybody, myself included. So what I did was I put together this review in a sheet. So you should be familiar with these from the last week or so, where, when you do your work, you type in your answer and it turns green. That won't happen on the test. Okay. I will grade those. But on the review, I've set it up where, once you do your work and you type in your answer, it should, and I stress the word should, turn green when you type in your answer correctly. Okay. The issue with that is when you get to number 3 on the review, the check. There's not a good way in a sheet for you to type information in over a a check. So what I did here was I put a letter in each area of the check that you have to fill out, and then down here you would type in, what goes in blank A. So if you did, buying groceries in Walmart on November 1st, so down here you would type in, November 1st. Okay. I tried to set these up where they would turn green in the review, especially in the check that may or may not work. So November 1st goes in box A here. Box B would be the second year of the date, 2020, and then pay to the order of Walmart. Okay. It really just kind of depends on if what you type in matches what I type in. On numbers, it's really easy. On text, it's a little different. So, just be aware of that when you type these in. If it's not 100%, if you did Walmart, if you put a hyphen in it, it probably won't count that, right? Just different things. So just be aware of that on the review. It may not turn green even if it's correct, especially in the check area. The rest of them, it's straight numeric stuff. It should be 100%. Type it in, it's right. If you got it right, it's going to turn green. If not, it's going to stay gray or white in this case with the register. So test tomorrow will be a little bit longer than this. Same type of questions. It's kind of weird that it's in a sheet, but I think for you taking it and me grading it, this is going to be the best way to go for all of us. So good luck, guys.